Hi friends, welcome back to my English learning blog. Right now we are going to the field. You can see guys, this is my sister. She is carrying a lunch, water bottle and umbrella in plastic tub. And you can see guys, this is one of our field. We transplanted paddy. But guys, you can see our paddy are looking wilted. I don't know whether they could survive or not. Can you see guys, after looking this field we feel very sad. I don't know what will happen and what is the region of these plants. And today we are going another field to transplant paddy. As you know, like we will not transplant, like we have given contract for transplanting and our workers will transplant paddy. And today we are going to transplant one field, and I already showed you that field. We drained water from that field because of too much water, and after draining again it rained, and because of flood that field was again filled with water, and now a little bit okay for transplanting. So today we are going to transplant. And hi everyone, welcome back to my English learning blog. And right now we are in our field. My sister is cleaning the field bund with a hoe, and I'm going to drink water. And I'm making this vlog for my English practice because I'm going to drink water, so I got little time. So friends, in this video I will try to describe the things in English, and you can learn too. You can also describe your scenario and whatever you are doing and wherever you are. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see, I'm in our field, and these are our nursery field, and paddy transplanting work is going on in our these field. And as you know that we have given transplanting on a contract, so our workers are doing that work. And here you can see some workers are uprooting paddy seedling, and some of the workers, they are transplanting paddy seedling. And in this field my father is plowing this field, you can see guys. And I'm going to drink water. And today weather is normal, you can see little cloudy, but it's okay for transplanting paddy, because sometimes when we transplant paddy it started raining, so that very difficult for transplanting. And as you can see guys, this is the field where our workers are transplanting paddy. And you know guys, this is one of the field that we remove water, but still there is a water. After removing water from this field, again it rained, and as you know, flood, because of flood also again filled with water. And now water little drained, so we started transplanting. And as you can see guys, that area they are transplanting paddy, and I came here to drink water. So guys, now I'm going to drink water. This is our water bottle, and I'm going to drink. I'm pouring water in the glass, and this is the glass. And I'm thirsty guys, that's why I came here to drink water. Now I'm drinking water. So I drank water, and remaining water I'm throwing in that field. And now I will go where my sister is walking, because I'm walking with my sister. And guys, birds are chirping and cool wind is blowing, and it's looking amazing. And after transplanting that field, our workers will start this field, and these fields are already plowed, puddled and leveled. And then my father also spread DAP, and after spreading DAP they started transplanting paddy. And my father is plowing our field. Friends, now I am going where my sister is working, because I will work with her. She is removing weeds and grass from the field bund. She is cleaning our field bund. She is removing with a hoe, and I will clean this all grass which she has removed, and I will collect this grass and I will place on the field bund. And I already done that area, and you can see she is working. And now you can see the view. I really like to walk in the field, and I really like this amazing view. Guys, can you see? Do you like city life or village life? Let me know in the comment. And if you ask me, then I really like village life. We enjoy working in the field. I know it's like if you work in the field, that is really hard work, but this is our work. And farming is rewarding work. If you work well, you will get well. And this is our paddy nursery field, and after uprooting that field, our workers will come this field, and today they will transplant this field too. After working in the field, it's time for a lunch break. Eating lunch out in the open air, surrounded by nature, is a truly amazing experience. After hours of hard work, every bite tastes even more delicious. The cool breeze, the peaceful surroundings, and sharing that moment with family, that's what make it special. This small break becomes beautiful. After lunch, we started working again. We all got back to work and continued with our work in the field. It feels really good to work together and spend time in the field. Friends, after having lunch, our workers have started paddy transplanting work again. And you can see, guys, some of the workers are carrying paddy seedling and they are throwing into the field. And this helps workers to pick up paddy seedling easily, and it saves time and energy both. Friends, here you can see our workers are transplanting paddy seedlings in our field, and we are removing unwanted weeds and grass from the field bund. And we kept working until we finished our task. It was tiring, but working together made it easier and more enjoyable. Finally, after completing all the work, we felt really satisfied and happy with what we had accomplished. Friends, finally we have completed cleaning field bund, And after cleaning, let me show you how it looks. Can you see, guys? Our field is looking so clean, all the edges of the field. So right now we are going back home and it's 5 p.m. in the evening and our workers are still transplanting paddy and they don't have time limit for working because we have given on a contract for transplanting. So they come early and they go very late and they try to finish early all the field, and this is how they work in a field because they are working on a contract. And here you can see my sister and guys, few days back we transplanted paddy day before yesterday, and let me show you that field. All the paddy seedlings are wilted. I don't know what is the reason, and you can see this is our field. And now we are on the way, and can you see, guys, sunset and view of this place. Isn't it amazing? And this is a peanut field, and can you see, guys, this muddy puddle because of the tractor. So guys, finally we come back home and this is our kitchen garden, and now I'm going to take bath. And friends, today's vlog I describe everything whatever I did, and this is one of the easiest way to improve English, and I practice every day like this. I try to describe the things around me, and you can also apply this method describing the things, and this is one of the easiest method to improve English. And I hope you like today's vlog. If you like it and if you learn something new from this vlog, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.